Now I'm going to use the store procedure activity to call a store procedure that I am going to create in Azure SQL database. And as you can see in Azure SQL database, we have an employee table, and I would like to create a new store procedure. And in this store procedure, I'm calling that procedure emp underline delete, and it's taking a ID as an ID for the employee, which is int. And what we are going to do in this store procedure, we are going to delete from employee where ID is equal to @ID. Now we have this store procedure. Let's navigate to the Azure Data Factory Studio, and then I'm going to create a new pipeline. In general, we have activity called store procedure. Drag it here. Then in the setting, we need to use a link service, which this one is fine for me. Or maybe I need to create a new one because I want to connect to the Azure SQL database. And the subscription is this one, and server name is this one, and database is this one, username is this, and the password is this one. Test connection. And this is the store procedure name that I recently created, and that's it. As you can see here in the import, you need to introduce the ID, the value for that, if you want to add the value. But in here, I'm going to create a new parameter for that. And I'm saying that ID, and it's integer. Okay. And then I'm getting back to the store procedure. And here, for the value for that parameter, I'm going to use this ID. Okay, so let's debug. This is required. Let's see what kind of ID do we have in our database. 1, 2. Let's start with 1. Okay. Pipeline is queued, in progress. Okay, succeed. So output is this one, and let's navigate to the database and select again. As you can see, there is no more record with ID equal 1.